topic organic mosquito repellent, and the sub-theme is lifestyle for environment. The purpose of choosing this topic is mosquitoes are the most annoying and disturbing blood-sucking insect affecting upon human beings. So nowadays mosquito bites have been causing serious diseases and viruses such as malaria and dengue and etc., which leads to disabling and deadly effect on people and is also known as vector of diseases. So many people came up with mosquito repellents such as Odomus and 4-Dots, which contains lots of chemicals and with numerous number of side effects and has very strong smell. So our group came up with chemical-free organic mosquito repellent, which is made up of only plant-based material and with least side effects. Principles involved are olfactory fatigue, masking scent, receptor binding, and partition.
Materials required are apple cider vinegar, water, neem oil, eucalyptus oil, citronella oil, coconut oil, baking soda, and coffee grounds. First, we have used water, and then we have used apple cider vinegar, which is a natural product that contains acetic acid, which is a known mosquito repellent. And then we have used neem oil, which can alter mosquito behavior, making them less attracted to human hosts and reducing their ability to feed. Then we have used eucalyptus oil, which contains a compound called sinol, which has been shown to have insecticidal properties. It can repel mosquitoes. And then we have used citronella oil, which is contained from stems and leaves of different species of Symphoponia, and it is widely used as a natural ingredient in mosquito repellents because of its characteristic odor. And then we have used coconut oil, which has antimicrobial properties that can help prevent the growth of bacteria on the skin, which can reduce the risk of infection from mosquito bites. And then we have used baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. It is a natural odor absorber and neutralizer. When used properly, it can effectively reduce or eliminate unpleasant smells in various situations. And then we have used coffee grounds because it contains a compound called caffeine, which is known to repel mosquitoes. Caffeine, on the other hand, is a bitter compound that can deter mosquitoes from approaching. And we have also used it to have a pleasant smell.
Repellent using citronella oil. First, we have to take 40 ml of apple cider vinegar. Then you have to take 30 ml of water. Then you have to take 30 ml of citronella oil. Then you have to add 1 tablespoon or 2 spatula of baking soda. Then you have to mix it well. And then you have to leave it for 24 hours and your organic mosquito repellent using citronella oil is ready. It is non-toxic and non-irritating. When you apply it on the skin, it is not causing irritation and rashes. And the second thing is environmentally friendly, and the third thing is cost effective because you can get it in market at affordable price. And the fourth thing is low synthetic chemicals. It does not contain any chemicals. And the fifth thing, it can be made at home easily. And it promotes.
There's no any mosquitoes to be seen, but as soon as we started spraying our repellent, they started reacting to it immediately and starts coming out. Now we're gonna apply one of our mosquito repellents onto our skin, and as you can see, it does not cause any skin irritation and rashes.
Our group was able to make an organic mosquito repellent without using any chemicals and with less side effects and which is lighter in smell as compared to other mosquito repellents. And these are the 4 results. This is our mosquito repellent using eucalyptus oil, and this is using citronella oil, and this is with coconut and neem oil, and this is we have used all-in-one oil which includes coconut and neem oil, citronella oil, eucalyptus oil, and we have also added coffee ground in it to have a pleasant smell. Thank you. I would like to conclude our project here. Thank you.